Good day and welcome to today's Autodesk Inventors class. Alright, my name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. So today we will be considering the problem as displayed on the screen. We're reproducing it using Autodesk Inventor. So the very first thing is I'm going to click my Start 2D sketch, pick that plane as displayed on the screen. Okay, so then the next thing is I'm going to actually pick a line in this order, starting from this area. I'm just going to draw this line like this and like this. So I'm going to pick my dimension. All right, with my dimension I'm going to make this area mark of 32, enter. All right, then from the top here to the bottom here, mark of 62, enter. All right, so distance from here to here is mark of 20, enter. All right, then I'm going to pick my fillet of radius 20. Okay, then that's going to be here and here. So that's about that. So after doing that, I'm going to finish my sketch. Okay, upon finishing my sketch, I'm going to set this like this. Then I'm going to actually pick the XY plane. All right, then I'm going to start to the sketch. So after doing that, I'm going to pick my line in this order. I'm going to draw from this area. Okay, from this area all the way to this area here, like this. Okay, height of okay, no height actually. So let me just extend, and with my shift holding this, I have this, as you can see on the screen right here. Okay, having that, I'm going to pick my dimension from the top here, all right, all the way to the bottom here. That's mark of 62, enter. All right, mark of 62, enter. This area is radius of 20, enter. All right, with the radius of 20 over there. So the next thing is I'm going to actually pick a line. Okay, I'm going to take this dimension away. All right, I'm going to draw this line like this. So okay, I'm going to pick my tangential constraint, this to this, like that. I'm going to trim this out. Okay, and I'm going to pick my dimension from the bottom here all the way to the top here at distance of 62, enter. All right, then from this junction here to this tip here at a distance of 30, enter. So after doing that, I'm going to finish my sketch. So I'm finishing my sketch. I'm going to come here and pick start 3D sketch. Then I'm going to click on intersection curve. I'm going to pick this and this. Okay, then okay. Then after doing that, clicking on this, I'm going to hide the visibility of that sketch one and hide visibility of sketch 2. I'm left with this. Then I'm going to finish my sketch. So after doing that, I'm going to pick my plane. All right, picking this area and this, I have that. So I'm going to start to the sketch on that plane. I'm going to draw 2 circles, one of diameter 15 and the other circle of diameter 11. Okay, then I'm going to finish my sketch. So finishing my sketch, I'm going to pick sweep. Okay, picking my sweep command, I'm picking this. All right, picking that, I'm going to select curve edge, pick this, then okay. Okay, I'm going to hide this visibility off, so like this and like this. All right, I'm going to pick my mirror constraints. Okay, I'm going to pick the whole of that object. I'm going to pick the XY plane, then okay. All right, I'm having it in that order. So the next thing is I'm going to pick my XY plane. Okay, picking XY plane. Okay, so creating a sketch. Then I'm going to slice the graphics there. I'm going to click on project cut edges. I'm going to pick my line somewhere. I'm going to draw out this shape like this. Okay, like that. I'm going to pick my dimension. from top to the midpoint here is going to be 9. Enter. While this area is going to be 4. Enter. While the distance from here to here is going to be 10. Enter. And the distance from here to the midpoint here is going to be 12.5. Enter. Alright, so I'm going to just produce a line here from that center to the bottom, then what, finish my sketch. On finishing my sketch, I'm going to pick revolve, okay, picking this like that, then axis, which is this, then what, okay. Alright, I'm going to pick my chamfer at 2, right there at 2, then right here, then what, okay. Alright, so I'm going to pick my fillet at 5, okay, just right here like that, then what, okay. So after doing that, what else am I going to do? I'm going to tilt this like this. I'm going to pick my YZ plane, pick that. I'm going to drag this like this at distance of -25. Enter. Okay, having this in that order, I'm going to click this and what, start to the sketch. Again, I'm going to click on slice graphics. I'm going to click on project cut edges. So doing that, I'm going to pick my circle. I'm going to locate the midpoint of this circle of diameter 26. Alright, likewise here, circle of diameter 26. Enter. Alright, I'm going to pick my line. I'm going to join this to this at the top and this to this at the bottom there. Picking my tangential constraints, I'm going to ensure they are tangential to each other. Alright, and this to this, settled. So the next thing is I'm going to pick my circle. Somewhere here, I'm going to draw a circle of diameter 10. Enter. Okay, likewise here, diameter 10. Enter. Okay, so then the distance from the midpoint of this circle to this area here is 33. Enter. And this circle to this area here is also 33. Enter. Alright, I'm going to pick my trim command. I'm going to trim this and this out of the way. I'm going to trim this and this out of the way. I'm going to pick my circle also again. I'm going to produce a circle of diameter 4.5. 4.5. Enter. Then 4.5. Enter. And what, I'm going to finish sketch. So I'm going to pick my extrude. Okay, like that. I'm going to pick that. I'm going to pick this. Then distance of 5. Okay, coming right here. Then what? Okay. So I'm going to hide this plane right here. Then coming to the back here, I'm going to pick my fillet at radius 5 up there. Right here. Okay, right here and right here. Okay, now I'm going to pick my chamfer at 1. My chamfer at 1. I have this right here and this right here. Then what? Okay, so that brings us to the production of the item as displayed on the screen. I can just change the material to something galvanized, something galvanized. Okay, something like this. Then I'm going to view, make it realistic. So that is it. That is the production of our objects as displayed on the screen. Okay, so my name is Oluwatumbi Blessing Olalekon, the founder of Michael Tech. Kindly ensure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and also refer to your friends who might be in need of it. Thank you.